You need a truck to pull with or a workhorse? Let's take a look at this one. 1997 Ford F-350 XLT regular cab with a 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel in it. Of course, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. We'll get around to the interior, some of the options there in just a bit. The Power Stroke is paired up with an automatic transmission. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed original miles. Just a little over 96,000 miles is all on this one. A lot of miles to give yet. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out that interior undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look around the wheel wells, lower rockers on this one. This one spent the majority of its life up until 2021 on the West Coast, actually in Oregon, Washington, registered vehicle. So it did not spend time in the Midwest, and it definitely shows. Toreador red, metallic paint, gray cloth interior. See how straight that is, and again, lower rockers around the wheel wells. Good shape. Take a look in the still pictures. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome bumper, tailgate, and you can see that there is a spray and bed liner that has been installed. Top of the bed rails protected. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Now, one thing you're going to notice, and I want to point out in just a second, you're going to take a look at these wheel wells and lower rockers also. As you can see, dual fuel tanks, front and rear. DZ running boards, helping protect that paint down there. Now, window tint. Check with your local and state laws. This one's tinted in the front, tinted on the sides and in the rear. Make sure you know what is legal or not in your state if you're purchasing this vehicle. All right. Take a peek at this interior. Of course, getting inside, power windows, power locks. We do have the lumbar on the driver's side. It's a cloth seat, sliding rear window, cruise control, AM FM cassette player. Let's go ahead, I'll show you the exact miles. I'm not going to start it up, we're indoors here. We have a pusher, we're going to roll her out the back door. I'll let you see it run and hear it run. I'll get it outside first. So at the end of this video, I will tag on a snippet of this vehicle running. There you can see the exact miles, 96,875. Take a look at the top of the dash. Nice shape. As well as the headliner in it. I will pop the hood in here because it'll be a lot easier to take a look at the engine. See that also. I'll check out the engine bay without it running. But again, at the end of this video, we're going to have a snippet of it running so you can listen to it and see it run. So hold on a second. Let's check out that engine bay. All right, look at that hood liner. Nice and clean and tidy underneath here. What you'd expect with a truck with this kind of miles on it. Well taken care of, and one that has not been around the Midwest. That is easy to tell on this one. And once again, remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed, miles are original, and a West Coast truck, Oregon and Washington, up until 2021. And it definitely shows underneath the hood also. All right, so 1997 Ford F-350 XLT, 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel in it. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and stick around just a bit longer. I'll add that video to this of it running so you can see and hear that also.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, pulled around out front here. Give you a little listen. Check out that engine bay as it's running. Sorry, didn't have to put it all the way up there. There you go. Flip around to the back. You want to hear it from the rear.